Hey guys, my name is Camille from Camday and the Kids. I'm also a massage therapist and I try my best to heal people on a daily basis. But there are some areas that are just really hard for me to reach because it's deep and it's under muscles, it's inside the bum muscles, or it's deep in the groin muscles. And that's an area that I can't 100% work on. So I'm going to show you some stretches that are great for the sciatica nerve issues and for piriformis syndrome. So I hope these stretches will definitely help you to just alleviate that pain and help you to just be back in working order. So here we go. So what you're going to do is sit in the chair upright. So what we're going to do is point our toes straight to the ceiling and look all the way down to the thigh, and this is going to give you a great stretch in your sciatica and piriformis. So then you're going to put your foot down and then look straight up to the sky and just loosen that muscle. And then you're just going to do it over again. So you're going to do that about 20 times. It's basically just stretching and letting go that tension in the sciatic nerve area. So the next one, you're going to cross your foot over your knee. And this is for, again, a stretch for the left side. And then you're going to press down on your leg and just stretch out that muscle. So you're just going to keep on doing this and then release and then do it all over again. Remember, the more times you do this, the more release that you'll feel in that area that is really bothering you. So you're going to do that one several times just to loosen it up. I swear after you do that for a few times, you're actually going to feel it loosening up. It's like magic. It really works. So the last one I'm showing you is just a variation of the one that I just did on the chair. You just lie down on your back and cross your leg over your knee and just sit there and just make it stretch. You can read a book, you can watch TV, you can talk on the phone, do whatever you want, but just sit there and just stretch it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it useful. And remember, have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay positive, and if you ever have any questions, leave it down below. I'll try my best to help you. Bye for now.